my God, we're back. Deja vu. Another coffee in the house. What do we got here? It's Tyler diligently working hard, getting some 3D prints done. All right. Everyone's on the phone. Everyone be busy. All right. So let's check out the final results on the trophies. Looking pretty cool. There's the little guys. And we got 8th place. The nice thing about these, they're bigger and they step down. 7th, 8th, 10th. So, I don't know. The lower you go, the lower you are. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. Well, got video going. Hey, don't worry about it. It's customer. You been helped yet?
I was just looking for
Dave?
Dave, yeah.
Big Davey, he's on the way. Okay, guy, gentleman with the Raptors here.
I got a call down there.
Still working on him. Told you this is the update. Who you got in here? Is that Dawson? It's Dawson diligently working once again. Then we're out here. Tyler pulled out them subs. That's what I was showing you guys earlier, laying on the ground. Got a little bit of issues. Oh yeah, they were supposed to be on the road gone a long time ago, but that obviously didn't happen. On the BMW, had to yank out that big subwoofer enclosure. Well, actually they flipped it up. One thing you don't want to buy is cheap Chinese radios, and this is a customer supplied radio. Yay. And there's issues, so update on the caddy. Yeah, baby, remember them. If you're my age anyways. Getting in them 6x9s. Still lacking on the radio, a lot of wiring. Everything is going on. And don't forget, in between we do other jobs, so it's the way it goes. It's the way it goes. You guys want to talk about some product? I want to show you something. Some of my favorite speakers here. And don't forget, we sell all the stuff on our website. We ship nationwide, free shipping. But I want to talk about these Punch right here. There's some bad boys. You're going to see these in the next video. Check them out on our website if you're looking for some nice full range speakers. And them things are beautiful. Don't forget, guys, like, share, subscribe. We're trying to build this channel. We're bringing you everything we do to the world. We love you, and we're going to see you on the next one. I'll see you, what, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. What's the time? Well, it's about that time. What's the time? Well, it's about that time. All right, we got our coffee down. Day 2. What's up, Sammy? What's on the schedule today?
All right. Well,
you tell me now.
Oh my God, we got a Z28 camera and a Can-Am spider that we got to fix. That
okay.
Yeah.
That we what?
Good morning.
That we what?
That we fucked up.
So we got the trophies here. Looking good, man. We're missing number 6. Like a missing tooth. All the way down the line.
That was okay. He won it.
These are going to the show. We already heard what's on the schedule. Oh my God. So still have issues with that BMW that was there. Still working on the caddy. What do we got? Well, we got the dash off, so it's going to get that. Oh, I think we're doing a sound. No, we're doing a retro sound in this one. And kicker amp. I don't know. That's an Audison amp as well. Got a Punch, so they're gonna get some Punch 6x9s in there. Looking good, looking good. Happy with that. They're running late for the show. Today's the deadline. Still working on this bad boy. Gotta do, I don't know if it has a little bit of a wiring issue, so we're gonna get that going. I detailed it yesterday. She looking pretty for the show. There's number 6. So let's go outside, see what we got to do. So we got this guy come in. We did a lot of work in this, by the way. There's also some future work, but he needed a hand railing that was installed. What this guy does, he does like, I don't know, I guess it's like a throne chair rental, but he pulls up, like, if you can kind of see that, it's pretty cool. I've seen some of his Instagram stuff. Pretty neat. He goes in like downtown Cleveland, and you could go on in here, take pictures on the throne. Pretty snazzy. Uh-oh. People are parked where they're not supposed to be. Customer vehicle. He went to some shop, and I don't know, something goofy going on with this one, but we're here to fix it. We'll make it right. We'll make you happy. So I think on the schedule today we got a Z28. Pretty cool. Chris is over there checking it in, and I believe Brittany and Dawson are working on the X6, which has radio issues. Oh, let's see, Dawson, you let me in now, Dawson. You let me in now, Dawson. Oh my God, how you doing, Brittany?
Oh my God, I'm doing great. How are you doing, Larry?
I'm doing good. How's the Chinese radio?
Oh,
Dang.
It's doing well?
yeah.
Okay.
Look in the trunk, Larry.
Okay, let's look in the trunk.
Got
Let's
the
see
war,
that.
you got the kicker warhorse back there. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Better not sing it. I get content ID from YouTube. Oh, Dawson. Dawson.
We still gotta put it back together.
Dawson. Oh my God, Dawson. Better get to work, boy.
Yeah.
Got your work cut out for you. Hey, so rounded up the shop. Here's old Chris, our faithful installer. Chris, what you doing? Chris, what you doing? Why ain't you happy this morning, Chris? Coming down front of the building. Come on in and join us. You know, you could also like, share, subscribe. We got different forms of content: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Obviously, we're coming on in the front door. Yeah, baby. Back at it. So I gotta get to work, and I will see you when some shit around here gets done.